Hello, good morning. I'm here back again to share with you a new method to make money online. No matter how well you are, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch the video from the beginning to the end. On this website, I'm going to show you how to make money online in Nigeria and other countries too. So, on this website, what you are doing here is very simple. You're going to see everything we are doing on this website to make money with it. This is not a scam, it's legit. Everybody keeps saying everything is scam. Even though it is true, you won't even try to do it first before you can say it's scam. People are doing it and they're making money online with it. So please subscribe to this channel. Now what you're going to do, you're going to sign up on this website. You're going to, with this one, you're going to enter your phone number here. Phone number. After you enter phone number here, this is my phone number. I went here. Now you're going to enter your surname, your name, and now the password you want to use. Let me use this password now. Yes, I'll use password. You can use so now this is the invitation code. The code of the person that invites you on this to this application, that is the person that invites you here, is going to send you a code. This code you're going to press it on this place, and after that you are free to sign up on this website. So now I've done this. What I've used to register my account. Okay, this is not my password. I just this one. So after that, I think you've seen now. I'm going to put my own account now. See now, I'm just starting. See what I've earned now. I've earned like 400 naira. I'm just starting. I've earned 400 naira. I've seen now. So we have different type of method to make money on this website. What are you going to be doing on this website to make money? It's very simple. These are the tasks. Before I go to task, let's go here first. Let's go to the home and see what is happening here. What they write, the instruction they write on the home. They say instant special announcement due to some instant member disclosed. So if it's everything, their instant log in number and password to the other people, their account balance was transferred to the other account. Discussion. Obviously, we close the transfer function via instant platform for a week. Winsmin announced to everyone that please do not disclose an account information to the other people, and please change your old password in time. The year 2021, a new year, a new hope. We Insmin appreciate the support and trust from every Insmin member, and hereby Insmin will prolong the housekeeper activities for 5 days. Insmin wish you all the best 2021. 1. If you can invite a subordinate to finish the first deposit successful and to become Insmith valid member, you will get 400 naira reward. 480 naira reward. If you can invite a subordinate to finish the first deposit successful and become Insmith 2 valid member, you will get 1000. Everything now. So now look at this thing they are writing here. This is not the only thing they are doing. I'm just showing you this one just for the first time. Now the second way, VIP. Now how to be the real member on this website is what you have to pay money. Yes, you have to pay money. So what are you going to do? You can pay 1080 to join this one. If you join this one, you're going to be complete. You're going to receive three mission per day, and each mission give you 28 naira. Okay, if you register with 6,888, you're going to have access to 5 mission per day, and they give you 69 naira. If you can register with 62,000 naira, you're going to have 25 mission and 120 naira per day. See, this thing is real, not fake. The higher money you pay, the higher mission they give you on this platform, on this website. Now what are you going to be doing what are the mission I'm talking about? Now go to the task. This is the task. This task is what you're going to be doing. I'm sorry, the internet is having some problem now. Oh my god. So these are the tasks you're going to be completing. So per day you're going to choose a task. Click on this task. So today now I've done today task. So now I click on it now. So they say the number of tasks that you have current number. So yes, I've done today task. Tomorrow now I can get another 3 tasks every time. I just register with 1,600 naira on 688 naira on alone. So I register with 1,600 naira on. Now see now the task. So after when you are doing the task, if you want to know if they pay your money or not, go here to record. On this place, in record, you're going to they will give you access to what the task of they will give you access to many things. And this tab, this record tab. See, sorry for the internet, it's very slow. So you can ask me any question if you don't understand what. Just make sure you subscribe. Just subscribe to the channel and sign up to this website. They pay you really money. They pay you really money. It's really not fake. It's not a scam. They won't scam you. Nobody will scam you on this website. Just make sure you trust it and trust yourself, and make sure you do your task every day. If you do your task every day, each day they give you task, make sure you do it every time and every day. So if you are doing your task, you're going to have money. So while waiting for my friend, just make sure you subscribe and like this video, and also share it for those people who don't have access to it. Okay, have a nice time. Have a nice time, and this one I'm talking about the task you've done, the task you've done that is processed, the task you want to do is going to be here. After you've done your task finish, they're going to review it. After they review your task, they're going to complete. So they will show you every time. If you complete your task, say now I've completed this one now. This one is on 1 or 04 to this today one. This one I've done, the one I did today. See, yesterday, day for yesterday, I end see now. So this one I started. Have you seen now? So they're not reviewing. Let me see. So I've completed every task so long. Now look at my account now. Look at the money I've earned 448 naira, and I register with 1,688 per month. I'm going to be having 2,520 naira, and I register with 1,688, and it's not going to expire. I'm going to be doing it forever and ever. So what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to this channel and make sure you do this. They won't scam you. This is my invitation code. Have you seen that? So how are you going to withdraw? Okay, you can withdraw no matter. Say click on this wallet. If you click on this wallet, have you seen now? So you go to your bank, withdraw. I think you are seeing the way I'm doing it. I've clicked on withdraw now. So the amount you want to withdraw and the password, your password. Okay, you are submit it. After that, they will give you your money. This is not, they are not scam. They are really, it's real. So just trust it. Even though you've never done anything online before, try this one and see how it's going to happen. You're going to make money online with it. You can, if you like, you can go for 6,880 on. You can go for 62,000 on. You can go for 140,000 on. You can go for 290,000 on. You can go for 638,800. Okay, you can go further and earn a lot of money with it. Can see everything they've done. Look at it. Oh my god, this website is paying. So